Welcome back to the Crypto 618 channel, and in today's video we're going to take a look at elephant money, how to buy and how to mint. Before we get started, if you would like to see more of these videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. Let's get into it. So we've got some really new changes that have just happened, so I thought I'd make a quick video to show you exactly what is going on. So BT just put out a new article on Medium, and I will read this article to you. It's very short, and then we'll jump into exactly how to do it. So it's titled Buy with Bertha, and elephant holders are the bedrock of the protocol. These are participants that stand with Bertha, our elephant treasury, which pays out all yield and debt obligations. We are pleased to announce that now there is a new way to trade elephant at lower tax rates and also enhance treasury growth at the same time. Taxes when buying with Bertha are only 8.5%. Here's a little screenshot. They used to be 10% and they are elsewhere, but if you buy them from Bertha on the website, they're 8.5. That's pretty cool. So buying directly at elephant.money will turbocharge the treasury and exponentially drive elephant holder value to the moon. In addition, the raffle entry price when minting has been reduced from 100 trunk to 5 trunk. With this raffle update minting, it is a habit that you can participate in every day and potentially change your life in an instant. There you go. So this is the latest update. Just came out today. Let's jump straight into it. So we're on the elephant.money. We're going to come in here. The first thing we're going to do is show you how to buy elephant. Really simple. You need to be on the Binance Smart Chain and already have your Metamask wallet. I already have that up here. Have that loaded and on the Binance Smart Chain. And you will definitely need some BNB and you will need some BUSD. So all you need to do is, the first thing is you'll need to connect. So you'll need to connect wallet, and then I choose Metamask. You'll know when you're connected because it then says disconnect and you'll see your balance come through. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to buy some elephant. So if we type in, you can put any value you like. I'm just going to put maybe $10 worth. Let's put 0.005, and you can see it tells me exactly how much elephant I get. So I get 154 million elephant with a 1.5% discount. So I click on buy. Then I'll open up the MetaMask. I will need to confirm that. So click on confirm and click close. And then this transaction will go through and we'll get a confirmation of that in a second. Now at the moment over here you can see I got 5.9. Oh, there you go. So now I got 6.07. So I've just hit 6 billion tokens. That's exciting. So that was really easy to buy, and that's how simple it is to buy elephant money. You can have a look at the chart today and see the buys that are coming through there. So now the next thing we want to do is we want to mint. So we click on elephant money again. We come down to trunk Stampede, click on go. Make sure we're connected. So you'll see the wallet address up here, but let's disconnect and you'll see, you won't see the wallet. So let's press connect and then click MetaMask. Your wallet's now connected. Make sure you connect to the Binance Smart Chain, and you'll need BUSD to mint. Okay, so here we've got mint, and it's asking for BUSD. We've got some BUSD here. So a two-step process. So we're going to do a mint and a claim, and that's the two steps that you need. So we're going to put $5 worth of BUSD. So you can see $5 BUSD will give you $5 of trunk. And we're going to mint this. Now notice down here it says mint is available after 3 blocks and mint 5+ trunk to enter raffle. Now you'll need to make sure that this BUSD is enabled. If it's not, you need to click it and then confirm with Metamask and make sure that it is enabled. So then we click on mint and then we confirm with Metamask. Click close. And what we're looking for now is, what will happen is this $5 that we're minting will go into this section here where it says trunk. And remember, this takes 3 blocks, which doesn't take very long. Usually it's under 30 seconds. And how cool is that? We've actually entered into the raffle now. So we've been entered in, and here we go. Here's our trunk. We have $5 worth of trunk here. Now we need to claim this because this is not actually in our wallet yet. This is the 2 steps. So we click on claim, and we confirm, and click close. And you'll notice that this $5 of trunk will then go into the wallet, which is listed down here. So you'll see this wallet increase by another $5. And it takes a few seconds to do that. Now, once we've done that, we've actually entered into the raffle, which I'll show you that in a second, and how you can actually win. So once that is finished, that will go down into this area, which it just has there, and you can see that increased. A couple of things you can do while you've minted some trunk, you might want to stake it into the native staking, and you'll get about 81% APR, which is pretty easy. I've got some other videos on how to do that, and I'll leave a link for those. If we come down here, there's also Stampede Perpetual Bonds, and this is where you can bond your trunk. So we could actually put some trunk in here and bond it. And once you bond, that means you can't actually get that back. What it does is it will only pay you in rewards. So with this particular one, pays 205% APR. So whatever you put in bonds, you'll receive 205% APR. If you roll that daily though, that will actually increase that to over 6x. And that's exactly what I'm doing. This is how come I've increased my bonds so quickly. But you keep on rolling, and any time, of course, you can claim. And once you've got those rewards, when you roll, they will go back in. Now, if you want to get an extra 0.5%, you can join the partner network. This is voluntary. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. But if you check on the information here, you can see that it's a partner program. It's split 50-50. So there's a 1% on deposits and 1% on roll. And what happens is all you need to do is come over here, and I will leave some details in the description below, and I'll leave my partner address. If you put the partner address in here and click on update, that will then store that in there, and then you will receive that 0.5% extra. You do need to do that before you go and bond. So remember to put the partner network in and then bond. And last time I changed, even though you can bond small amounts, if you do want to participate in that 0.5%, I believe it is still $101. So you only need $5 to mint, but as far as I know with the partner network, it is still over $100 here. Minimum trunk bonded is 100. So I always say put about 101 in there. So if you do want to get into the Stampede Perpetual Bonds, you will need more than $5. You'll need $101. And then you'll be able to get into this. So that's pretty straightforward. I do have other videos specifically on how to do that, but I will leave the details below. If we scroll down quickly to the raffle, you can see already there is 63 people entered, and that's including myself, because if you scroll up here, you can see you are entered in the raffle. That's $5 or more. So if you like, you could do this every single day. We scroll down here and we have a look at the raffle. So there's 2.9k in the pot. So we've got 5 hours left, and when this is finished, there'll be 2 winners. There's a winner for the random person will win. So one wallet, oh look at that, someone else is actually in there while we've been doing this video. So what will happen is you'll get 5% of this pot. So this pot is 10,000. That means you'll get a 500 trunk, and that'll be put into your Stampede. And also there's an option for a winner for max depositor. So if you are the maximum depositor for that 24-hour period before the timer finishes, you'll also receive 5% of the pot. And currently, up till July the 4th, they are offering an extra $1,000 trunk, which is not bonded. You can use it as you wish. And that is available till July 4th as well. So it is really an amazing deal, this amazing raffle. So yeah, why not get in on it? And as you can see, the elephant treasury is growing, and it won't be long before this is 150, 200 trillion, and we're going to see some parabolic moves from elephant money. So this is great news. Make sure you check this out. Go to the article here. You can always join the official Telegram, read this article, and then come along and have a look here. And if you do want to get in on the partner network, just see my details below, and I've got all the information for how to do that. So very excited about what's happening with Elephant Money, and they'll be up and running again in no time. So with that, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, like the video, and if you'd like to see more of these videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. If you want to support the channel, you can just click on this little button here, support the channel, and go to our private Discord group. And also you can click on this little one here, and this will take you to the website where you can subscribe to the newsletter and receive the videos straight to your inbox. Thanks very much. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.